Hi, I'm Andrea Lilienfeld.
And I'm Julie Jarmolowski. We're with the K Grant Group and my home group. This evening in Scottsdale, we are at Night Owl. So much fun.
And we're here to share with you the must-see light tour, home decorating tour you need to do around South Scottsdale.
Exactly. So we had a contest and we invited all of our neighbors to participate in a home decorating event. And boy, did they go all out.
They did. As you make this tour, you can just feel the spirit. You can tell how much time, energy, everything they put into these homes. And we want to share with you what we've seen over the last few weeks driving around and looking at everything. So to start the tour, we're going to recommend you start at 8402 East Oak Street, which is in Scottsdale Estates. They're our first winner of the 2023 local holiday decorating contest. So Julie, can you tell everyone a little bit about what they can expect as they drive by?
I can. The homeowners of this place did such a terrific job. You're going to have blow-ups. You're going to have lights. The house just shines when you drive by. It's across the street from, I think, a middle school. And it's right on Granite Reef and Oak. So super easy to find. You're going to fall in love with it.
So let's start the tour there. And in a few minutes, we'll go on to the next one. And the home tour continues. Our next stop is going to be in Village Grove, where you can see the winner's home at 8259 East Mulberry Street. Congratulations, Donna and Lyle. Julie, can you tell us a little bit, as people venture over to Village Grove, what can they expect to see?
You're going to be awed by this place. It is amazing in that the homeowners went from one side of the house across the front. They've got blow-ups. They've got a teddy bear bigger than us in the front yard. They have a nativity, and then you go around the corner. It goes all the way back around the house. It is amazing. This house is in one of the more competitive neighborhoods. I have to tell you, everyone around really has pulled out all the stops, but these folks took it to a whole new level.
Now, before concluding your home tour, as you're on your way back to Night Owl, you have to stop by 8245 Cypress and check out what they did. Congratulations, Cynthia and family, for everything you've done on your home. I think this one truly left us speechless. So, Julie, what can people expect at this last stop of our recommended tour?
This one was crazy. So I drove up in front of it. The whole house is ablaze with lights. It is amazing. They've got a big old Santa in the corner, and they actually do letters from Santa. So your kids can go up, drop a letter in the mailbox to Santa. Someone in the home gives it to Santa and helps Santa get that letter back to the kids. It is amazing. Then you walk down the side of the house, the whole backyard is done. It blow-ups everywhere. And they have a room that has windows looking out to the back. That is a whole city scene with little choo-choo trains and figures, and it is just amazing. And I was kind of oohing and eyeing and googly-eyed over this whole thing. And the owner came out and she said, well, if you think that's something, come on inside. There's not one square inch inside that house that has not been Christmasized. How do you say that?
I think it's pretty close.
This is where you want to end your tour. It is phenomenal.
I love it. So hopefully everyone takes the time to visit these homes, stops by and checks out some of the others on the way, because let me tell you, the competition was steep in this area.
Yeah.
And hopefully at the end, you have time to stop by Night Owl,
Absolutely.
where we are right now, and enjoy some pizza, wings, a cocktail, and just continue on your merry way for the evening.
It's a great neighborhood hangout. We hope to see you there.
You won!
We won!